If you'd like to see how I achieve these big flowy curls, keep watching. Hello, it's Amia Renee and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a review on products provided by SASHAPURE Hair Care. They were generous enough to send me this package with their products, so beautifully wrapped. So in this package it has some oils, deep conditioning mask, healing shampoo, healing conditioner, rehydration or rehydrating cleansing conditioner. The first product I use from the line is the healing shampoo. It says it's enriched with omega-3, 6, and 9 vitamins A and E and amino acids. It also says it strengthens, restores, and protects your hair and is great for all hair textures. The second product I use from the line is the healing conditioner. This conditioner says it strengthens, frizz control, and it rehydrates. And it smells so good. Both products smell amazing. I'm huge on smells. Now I'm back with freshly cleansed hair. I'm going in with the perfectly defining curl cream. As y'all know, I have to smell everything. And here I go, making a mess. But the product did smell good, so that's a good thing. This cream says it's soothing, hydrating, frizz control, and humidity blocker. Okay, I'm going to put this to the test. I will say that all the products I used today was very lightweight. I didn't feel like it was weighing my hair down or anything. I really like how I had my hair feeling really fluffy and airy. I really like when my hair feels like marshmallows or pillows. I don't know how else to describe it. That's my two favorite words to describe my hair when it's really fluffy. After making sure the cream was distributed through my hair evenly, I just went in with a flat twist and I'm going to put some perm rods at the ends, as you can see. So when I get to the end of the twist, I'm going to separate the hair into two sections so I can put two perm rods at the end. I've noticed that if I was to put one perm rod at the end, it would be a lot of hair in that rod. It would take forever for my hair to dry. So that's why I'm splitting it into two sections. So the sections won't be as big in the rod and it won't take as long to dry. And also, I did let my hair dry overnight. I didn't sit under the hair dryer or anything because I don't like sitting under the hair dryer. It's too hot, and yeah, I just slept with them in my head overnight. Now that my hair is completely dry, I'm just going to gently unravel the perm rod around my hair. Try not to disturb the curl pattern. Last product I'll be using from the SASHAPURE line today is the Smoothing and Shine Hair Treatment. I'm just going to pump 1 or 2 pumps on my fingers and gently, if I can get the pump to cooperate with me. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. Okay, now that I got the pump together, it's working properly. So I'm going to gently unravel the twist and the curl. Try not to disturb it, the curl pattern again. Ta-da! Hey, with my big, bouncy, pretty curls. They came out amazing. I love how big my hair is. I had my hair in a protective style for the last 5 to 6 weeks. So every time I take it out, I'm just so amazed at how much my hair has grown. So cute. You see me feeling myself. Hey, go a shot off the back. Don't mind my tag hanging out. Just focus on the curls. Bye. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.